Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode in this seasonal series. Today we're going for this captivating autumn smoky eye look. As the leaves change color and the air turns crisp, it's the perfect time to embrace these warm and cozy vibes. So get ready to bring out your inner enchantress and try out this autumn-inspired makeup look. Now that we're going to begin, you know the drill. We're going to ensure that our skin is prepped and primed. Start by cleansing your face and apply a nourishing moisturizer. To create a smooth canvas, we are using a primer that will help our makeup stay in place and last throughout the day. And now for the star of the show, the smoky eye, we're going to be working with something that's warm and earthy to capture the essence of autumn. So start by applying a medium tone shade to the crease for depth and definition. And now you layer a darker shade on the outer corner and blend it inwards, focusing on creating a seamless gradient. Finally, add a touch of shimmer to the center of the lid to make your eyes pop. And just to complete the eye look, I've also added the same three colors that I've used on my top lid to my bottom lid to give that same gradient effect. Now it's time to perfect our complexion. Apply a medium coverage foundation that matches your skin tone, while I'm choosing to use a skin tint and I'm going to spritz it with my makeup setting spray so that it blends more easily. You can use a brush or a damp beauty sponge and focus on areas that need extra coverage for blending. Use a concealer to brighten under the eyes and conceal any blemishes. To frame our smoky eye look, let's enhance our brows. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and follow the natural shape of your brows. Define and shape them to frame your face beautifully. For that extra smokiness, let's add some eyeliner. Use a black or dark brown eyeliner to line your upper lash line, extending it slightly beyond the outer corner for a winged effect. Smudge it out to slightly soften the line and blend it with the eyeshadow. No smoky eye look is complete without sultry lashes. So curl your lashes with a lash curler to open up your eyes and then apply a volumizing mascara to add length and drama. Apply a few coats for that extra intensity. To balance out the boldness of the smoky eye, we're going to go for neutral lips. Choose a nude or warm tone lipstick that complements the eye look. Apply it directly from the bullet or use a lip brush for precision. So to finish off the look, I'm wearing this one-shoulder red blouse with black shorts. I'm pairing it with a thin black belt to add some more elements to my outfit. I'm also wearing black heels. I'm wearing a gold bracelet. On one hand, on the other, I'm wearing these stackable rings. I'm also wearing red and gold earrings and adding a gold cuff for something more extra.